In this video, we listed the 5 best 3D printer for beginners on AliExpress that are available on the market for their true quality. Actually, I tried to make the list based on their popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions, and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the description section below, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get future reviews. It's done, let's dive into the video. Number 1. CREALITY Ender-3 V3 SE. The Ender-3 V3 SE is a 3D printer utilizing FDM technology with a build volume of 220 x 220 by 250 mm. It features a compact and sleek design, weighing 7.12 kilograms. The printer includes a range of features such as worry-free auto-leveling with CR touch and strain sensor for Z offset, a Sprite direct extruder for smooth filament feeding, and a 32-bit silent mainboard for quiet operation. With a maximum printing speed of 250 mm per s and an acceleration of 2500 mm s2, it offers fast printing while maintaining quality. The printer supports various filaments like PLA, PETG, and TPU-95A, and is compatible with slicing software like CREALITY Print, Cura 5.0 or newer, and Simplify 3D. The user interface displays printing parameters clearly, supporting multiple languages. The Ender-3 V3 SE aims to provide a reliable and efficient printing experience with features like stable dual Z-axis, auto-filament loading, unloading, and a user-friendly interface for quick setup and operation. Number 2. ANYCUBIC Kobra 2 Max. The ANYCUBIC Kobra 2 Max is a cutting-edge FDM 3D printer with a host of advanced features designed to enhance the printing experience. With a maximum printing speed of 500 mm per s, it offers rapid printing capabilities, while the new LeviQ 2.0 automatic leveling system ensures fast and precise leveling without manual adjustment. The printer boasts a large build volume of 420 x 420 by 500 mm, allowing for the creation of models with a volume of around 88 liters in one go. Equipped with a high-performance dual-core Cortex-A7 1.2 GHz processor, the Kobra 2 Max provides strong computing power for faster calculations and motor control. Additionally, features like shake compensation function and intelligent flow control contribute to improved print quality and detail representation. The printer also includes a 4.3-inch LCD touch control screen, ANYCUBIC app for remote connectivity, and a range of connectivity options. With its smart features, large build volume, and high-speed printing capabilities, the ANYCUBIC Kobra 2 Max offers a versatile and user-friendly 3D printing experience. Number 3. ANYCUBIC Photon Mono M5. The BlueSail Photon Mono M5 is a high-quality resin 3D printer featuring an LED matrix UV light source for precise and detailed prints. With a maximum print size of 218 x 123 x 200 mm and a printing speed of 20 to 50 mm per h, this printer offers a balance between speed and print quality. It operates on a voltage range of 110-220 V and is CE certified, ensuring safety and quality standards are met. Originating from mainland China, the BlueSail Photon Mono M5 combines reliable performance with advanced technology to deliver exceptional resin-based 3D printing results. Number 4. Twotrees BLU-3. The BLU-3 automatic 3D printer from Twotrees is a feature-packed FDM printer designed for precision and efficiency. With a printing size of 235 x 235 x 280 mm and a machine dimension of L 410 xW 400 xH 520 mm, this machine offers a spacious build volume in a compact form factor. Weighing 8 kilograms, it is constructed from sheet metal and operates on a voltage of 110 V/220 V with 240 W power. The printer boasts a printing speed range of 20 to 200 mm per s, with a 0.4 mm nozzle size and 1.75 mm filament diameter. Its printing accuracy ranges from +0, 1, 0.2 mm, with layer thickness between 0.1, 0.4 mm. Equipped with a 4.3 color touchscreen, The BLU-3 supports various filaments like PLA, ABS, PETG, and wood, and operates with software formats such as STL, OBJ, and JPG. The machine features dual-drive extruders, leveling springs for easy operation, and a filament sensor for uninterrupted printing. With auto warning for filament depletion and resume printing function in case of power loss, the BLU-3 ensures efficient and reliable 3D printing. The printer is CE certified, originating from mainland China, and offers language support in multiple languages. Number 5. CREALITY 3D Printer Ender-3. The Ender-3 Neo 3D printer from CREALITY. 3D offers advanced features and enhancements for a seamless 3D printing experience. With automatic CR Touch auto leveling, users can enjoy accurate print height measurement and adjustment for precise prints. The printer boasts quick heat dissipation with a corrugated heatsink design, ensuring fast cooling down and preventing blockages. Its full metal extruder provides smooth feeding and durability, while the carborundum build surface reduces warping issues with even heating. The machine offers enhanced stability with alloy steel mold springs, supporting the platform for stable printing. With a resume printing function for data recovery and printing continuity in case of power outages, users can enjoy uninterrupted printing sessions. The Ender-3 Neo supports a slice thickness of 0.05, 0.35 mm, printing speeds up to 100 mm per s, and a maximum print size of 220x, 220x, 250 mm. Operating on a power supply of 350 W and supporting various filament types, this FDM printer is versatile and reliable for both beginners and enthusiasts. With language support in multiple languages and CE certification, the Ender-3 Neo is a top choice for personalized and stable 3D printing projects.